Kasama natin ngayon, James Velasquez and of course, Eric Reyes sa paghatid sa inyo ang ating first game ng Global Port at Barako Bull Energy Goal. Jonas Villanueva, kanina luwag-luwag sila 20-3, 27. Ivan Rock nandun at siya ang nag-deliver ng unang 2 puntos sa second quarter na kupunan ng Barako Bull para pahabain ng kanilang kalamangan to 4 points.
And what a game that Rock is enjoying ngayon, no? Meron na siyang 11 points. Parang yata masyadong timid dito si Justin Williams. Napigyan kasi ng flagrant 2 ito eh. And he's not as active as he was in that first game.
Narinig ka naman.
Nakita naman ngayon.
Madami na akong naipon ng first quarter. Ibubuhos ko na.
Dapat lang. He's got to show a little more aggressiveness si Justin Williams. We're talking about global. Ito po ang ating teams list. Para sa kanila, ang tema natin is working together. Ang unang-unang punto natin, Justin's durability. Ito, pinag-uusapan natin. Tuno po nangyari kay Justin in that first game. Pinubos siya ang kanyang energy in the first quarter. And, what a shot. Jonas, paano ba? Dito sa global is that they gotta close out on those shooters ng Barako. Why? Because in that win of Barako over San Miguel Coffee, they had 11 3-point conversions. So this is a team that likes to open up opportunities for their shooters. At pangatlo, global should step up the pace. Bakit? Because Barako has a very limited rotation. Ang dami nilang injured player. Sean Anthony hindi pa makakalaro. Rico Villanueva is off surgery. JC Intal hindi makakalaro. Salino Cruz is the injured list. So kulang na kulang ang personnel ng Barako.
Tama ka dyan.
That was a hard foul. Lumapit na katawan, he did go for the ball. That probably should be a case for flagrant 1.
I think I have to agree with you. 36-21, lamang pa rin po ang Barako Bull after ito si Ivan Rock completing his free throws.
Pero alam mo, for Marquis, that's what he needs to do. I mean, to stop that import. Kung minsan, yun ang dapat gagawin mo. No? Kung makawala ka without a flagrant, at least you were able to stop the dunk shot or the layup shot.
Pero kanina, binabantayan niya one-on-one. Ito si Jonas Villanueva, hindi niya napigilan. Ito pag-import kaya ang susubukin. Kaya ito, si Alain Maligsinang itinao sa kanya. Ito si Coach Junel Baculi. Jonas Villanueva is a free for another 3-point attempt. Namintisyon. Naubos ang kanilang oras. At pass break na bibigay kay Gary David. The only thing that...
attempts yan. 11 3-point attempts for Barako and they played only 2.
Well, you mentioned the numbers of Ivan Rock na meron ng 12 points and 10 rebounds. Parang talagang kanyang laro ay binabagay niya doon sa kanilang mga kalaban. The first game against San Miguel Coffee, alam na wala na siyang e-sport. So tulong na lang ang binibigay niya sa kanilang mga locals. Dito, magaling din ng kanilang kalaban na e-sport siya. Ayun, nagbibigay ng mga highlights for Barako Bull Energy Golas.
Again, very typical play here of Coach Raiko Paraman. They have the 2 bigs set up the high post. So may option yung player from the outside.
Mark Makapagad, siya naman ang libre ngayon with the second remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Nawala naman nila yung Maliksi ang rebound. Makukuha ni Justin Williams Santo Marquis. Marquis dire-diretso. Nasapal doon. Marquis will again recover the leather at bibigyan niya ito kay Jordan Salvador. Now to read Huntilia. 11 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. They have to make an attempt. Marquis. Kanilang panalo na yun against San Miguel Coffee. Jason Deutschman. Now with the leather, makikita itong si Marquis. Bantayan nila ni Alain na Maliksi, hindi pa rin natatapos. Itinira lamang, itinapon lamang ni Marquis. Wala yun. Di ba makukuha ba ni Alain Maliksi?
Well, maganda yung line formation ng depensa ng Barako doon. They have 3 men protecting the basket, and if you're not going to have movement, hindi ka makakascore against that kind of a defense. Again, you have those 2 high post players and always looking for the outside shot.
Alain Maliksi. Ang hirap ng angulo ng kanyang tira. That would be his 4th point, but this is the biggest lead para sa Barako Bull Energy Golas at 7 points, 28-21. Ito ang kupunan ng Barako Bull. When the season started, ito po ang kupunan ng may pinakamadaming dinagdag sa kanilang kupunan with 9 new players. Pero hindi pa sila doon natapos. Second conference pa lamang ito. May mga bagong players na sa kanilang lineup. Jonathan, of course, Josh, itong si Jonas Villanueva with San Miguel Coffee, Alain Maliksi with Barangay Ginebra, ang ating mga players na nakikita dito.
By the way, balita kay JC Intal, nabanggit mo yung pangalan, kasama Conrado. He will be playing in Barraco's next game, February 17 against Alaska. So hindi pa makakalaro ngayon si JC Intal. We're looking forward to Intal's contribution sa Barraco.
That's good news, definitely. Dito sa kapanan ng Barraco Bull. Bagong pasok naman. Tumikada kagad itong number 18 player ng kapanan ng Barraco Bull. Of course, that's Josh Raymer.
And neither team playing with an import right now. So all Filipino lineups for both squads.
John Dunn.
Binigyan ng isolation, 1-on-1.
With
Ang magandang matchup dito, si Danny Siegel at saka si Japet Aguilar. So both representing two
may binigay nitong si John Dan Salvador. Turnover ito, pabor sa Barraco Bull. Kinonsert pa sa puntos. Dito naman si Alain Maliksi who now has 6 points. And the lead is up to 8. This is the biggest lead for the Energy Colas.
And you notice for Barraco, the way they're executing their offense is that they're not looking to get those layups. Kasi alam nila, maraming malalaki sa kalaban nila. So they're just looking to free up space for the medium-range shooters.
Samantala, nakapagkup din sa dulo. Ito si Danny Siegel pero naipasa niya sa labas. Now it's Joshua Discondo orchestrating the play for the Red Shirts. Mga kapag-aal, muli papasa. Alain Maliksi, pagtsatsa na. Ngayong Martes na po yan. 5 p.m. magsisimula dito lang sa Active.
By the way, we just saw U.S. Ambassador Harry Thomas.
A very die-hard nating nakita ang ating U.S. Ambassador dito sa Sparta watching the games.
Nakausap natin si Ambassador Thomas kanina, no? At nakakwentuhan natin about yung mga NBA players na nandito, no? And sabi nga natin, no, this is probably the richest crop of imports ever to play in the PBA. 5 NBA veterans among 10 imports and combined NBA salary of $15 million.
Oo. So talagang isa sa kasi yung laki ng sweldo nila sa NBA. Nagtatranslate yun dapat sa kanilang mga talento. So ang presumption doon magagaling itong mga players na ito. Pero yung presence ni Ambassador, parang ano ba yan? Huwag kayong lolo-loko dito nakakaya sa mga Pilipino pag nagloko-loko kayo dito. Samantala, ito nakakuha ni Sol Mercado. Dire-diretso, the Soul Train attacks with a left-handed layup. Natapos niya para itala ang kanyang unang 2 puntos lamang sa laban na ito.
Yun ang punto sinabi natin kanina about Global. They need to step up the pace para maiwanan yung depensa ng Barraco. Barraco so far is controlling the action here because of their defense. So I think a good antidote for that is that get the defensive rebound kaagad if you're Global Port and then run the break, run transition.
Tama ka dyan At kapag naalala natin ang unang laro ng Barraco, talagang maraming players dito. Babad. Kaya ito, tatakbo na ang Global Port. Para palapitin ang kalamangan. Kanina po yan ay 8 puntos. Ngayon si Sol Mercado with that last assist to Gary David. May 8 assist na ito. Although meron namang dapat ingatan. 3 na ang personal foul dito si Sol Mercado.
Well, si Justin Williams, binalik dito ni Coach Paculi. Let's see whether he can make an impact now. Momentum nasa Global Port at this stage.
Ivan pa, wala pa po. Kaya important ito na kupunan. Dahil sa Barraco Bull. Pero ito si Danny Siegel. Idadak na antala pero pumasok. So lumalabas. Layup na lang yun.
Hopefully on our 3rd game makapaglaro na ako and tomorrow actually may tune-up game kami para
Okay, so kailangan abangan mga fans ng Barraco Brigade. Babalik na po itong si JC Intal. Of course, established his own name dito po naman sa PBA. Ito, batang-bata po ito. High flyer and impact player. Of course, welcome dito sa lineup. Nakapunan ng Barraco Bull. Jonas Villanueva, of course, makikita niya yung kanyang kick-out. Orbis todo, isang kick-out pa. Danny Siegel. Vintage yung kanyang tira. Tapikan, makukuha naman ni Willie Miller. To Sol Mercado. Momentum still with Global Port. 3 ni Gary David. Swak na swak.
Wide open shot para kay Gary David. Hindi bumaba ang depensa doon ng Barraco. And time for Evan Brock to come back in.
At ganun-ganun na lamang. Kinito, tabla na ang ating laban. Matapos lumabang as high as 8 points. Loko po na ng Barraco Bull. Yung first quarter. Dito siya sa second quarter actually. Joseph Pistondo given the pick.
Ito parang cat and mouse game ito.
Danny Siegel, susunod naman Aguilar at saka ito si Justin Williams na ipasok pa rin ni Danny Siegel, who's been very aggressive
Yeah.
dito kanito, ha?
And notice yung Barako, no? Yung kanilang sistema sa offensa, walang pumaposte. So, the offense coming from the outside, big guys are providing the double high picks. And Sol Mercado continuing to penetrate and go aggressive.
We talk about the aggressiveness of Danny Siegel. Ganon din ka-aggressive ang kanyang kalaban naman. Ito si Sol Mercado, who tallied his 4th point. Tabla pa rin po ang ating laban. 34 all with 2 minutes and 15. Jonas Villanueva kumanyon sa labas. And these two big men, sila pa nagpapangagaw talaga dito sa rebounding. It's Justin Williams at ito si Japet Aguilar. That's why they're in control. Willie Miller, kompleto ang kanyang mga free throws. Now has 5 points at ang kalamangan. Binawi na ng mga Batampier. 36-34.
Two big guys now for Barako back in the game. And that shot was spoiled by Japet Aguilar.
Justin Williams, seeing Japet Aguilar, iikot. Kailangan mag-adjust dahil pinayungan siya doon ni Ivan Brock. Mintis yung kanyang tira, makukuha pa ni Joseph Pistondo. Brock, si Japet naman nasasalubong. May offensive foul pa.
Warding off.
Because Japet is not only tall, he's also a high leaper. Kaya pwede po talaga itong makipagsabayan kahit sa mga import. Favorite spot for Japet Aguilar. He missed.
Hasn't missed at all. He's going 4 out of 4.
Making another statement is Japet Aguilar saying that sinasabi niya the first game at magandang performance niya is no fluke. It was be consistent. Matala, mintisyon. Nandun naman si Ivan Brock sumabit. Etong si Justin Williams sa second serving ng Barako Bull Import. With 54 seconds to go in the first half of play. Mintis yung pangalawa para kay Brock. Makukuha pa ni Williams ang bola. Another possession para sa Batampier. Now it's Willie Miller. Siya naman po nagtatraffic para sa una ng Batampier. Well spread ang kanyang mga kampe. Going 1-on-1 against Maliksi. To Japet. Strong move. Running jumper. Mintes. But Justin Williams is there for the second serving. Sol Mercado. Siya naman ang magtitimon for this attempt. 17 seconds ka lang shot clock. Pasigsag-sigsag ang sorte. Nakita si Justin Williams. Nakaapak sa linya.
You know they're going to give up the foul, but when are you going to take the shot? If you're going to wait until the last few seconds, susunod-sunodin ka ng foul ng Global. Here's the foul. Give na yun.
More than willing to give up the foul.
You try to attack now to get the fouls because baka maya-maya wala ka ng pagkakataon. Ito yung outside shot.
Vic Pinicis, 3 for 3, Mintes. Sa tip naman ni Brock, Mintes din. Japet Aguilar, uy! Nagkabanggaan sila doon after the